Good morning, Qatar. This is Anthony from All In About, and we're here at the Methaly factory for the press conference of the launch of Zesta. I'm here with Mr. Khaled, the chairman of Methaly.
Yes, today is the inauguration of our factory. It is it's an initiative by the government for the small and medium factories here in Qatar, and we are really appreciate the Ministry of Trade and Economy and Industry for supporting us, and also Qatar Development Bank for this. Today is really witnessing the birth of our Zesta Methaly factory.
I'm here with Mr. Muzaffar, the general manager of Methaly. Can you show us one of the processes, please?
Okay, this is the tapage machine, which is in the final stage of the mattress making, and here's where all the products are assembled over here, and the tapage is done, be it a Bonnell unit or a pocket unit. So we do the tape design over here, which takes about 2 minutes, and after that the process is going for the final packaging.
Thank you so much, Mr. Muzaffar, for having All In About Qatar.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
If you want to turn your dreams into reality, place your order online now on their website, and best of all, have it delivered to your home for free. Watch out for upcoming joint competition with Zesta and get a chance to win a free mattress. See you!